Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Bailey, you're welcome. So today, I'm obviously barefaced and we're gonna be trying out a brand new foundation, which I'm so excited to, hi, I got a knot in my hair. I'm so excited to try. I love Makeup Forever. I pretty much love like almost all of their products. They're just like a great like brand that you can depend on for just quality products. Today, we're gonna be trying the new Reboot foundation. I have 3 shades here and I'm so excited. 3 shades that I picked out are obviously not all my skin tone because I wanted some for my kit, because when I was reading about this, I was like, ooh, this sounds like really nice. So the shades I got R208 for me, obviously, because it's literally the lightest one. Then I also grabbed Y328 and Y225, which are just a couple darker ones and both yellow tone. So this foundation is apparently supposed to brighten, smooth, even out, tone, and it's supposed to hydrate. It's apparently supposed to give you 23% hydration. No, it's supposed to give you 26% hydration, and it's supposed to decrease the appearance of like fine lines and wrinkles by 23%, which like my Botox is starting to wear out. I can kind of see, especially when I had my Glam Glow mask on earlier, it was like I could see something was coming back there, so I need to use this foundation. So it's available at wherever Makeup Forever is sold, I'm sure. Sephora, the Bay.com, Sephora.com, wherever. It does retail for $51 Canadian, which I feel like is on like the more pricier end for a foundation, but I feel like that's pretty standard for like a high-end like Makeup Forever foundation. You do get 1 fluid ounce, which again is pretty standard across the board. It does have a pump, which is always nice, hygienic, fun. Okay, there are 24 shades in total, and I'm not gonna say that the shade range is like that great. Like there's a few deep tones, but it's not like completely, you know what, I'm not even gonna comment on the shade range because I'm sure everyone's already commented on it. The shade I'm gonna be using is obviously the lightest shade, which is R208. They also supplied me with, what even is this brush? It's so cute. It's the 112 Wavy brush, and it is so soft. I just keep like brushing it on my face. So I have this to apply it on, and I also have a damp Real Techniques beauty sponge. So we'll see how I like to apply it on. I did apply some moisturizer on my face. I applied Le Lift from Chanel. This is the Creme Riche one, and I am going to put a primer on my skin only because I would typically always put a primer on. I'm going to throw a little bit of the Hangover by Too Faced on, just a tiny little bit, just to, I don't know, add it on my skin since I always do. If you're not using a primer, something's wrong. Go get a primer. All right. So this is the lightest foundation, R208. I probably could have gone to like 1 up, which is Y218. But keep in mind, I do have like a tan right now. I know it's hard to believe, but if you saw my like midriff area, my torso area, compared to like my hands and my face, you'd be like, whoa. So we're gonna be going with this guy. I'm so excited for my wrinkles to be 23% reduced. This seems like it might be an okay color. It's quite pink actually, which I'm surprised about. I'm gonna take this cute little brush. I never really apply foundation with a brush as of late. Like I wanna say in the last like 2 months I haven't really. Ooh. And also I want to say, I've been seeing people's like first impressions of this on Instagram and whatnot, and people seem to really like it, which I can see. So I'm just doing like a little dotting slash like, I don't know, moment here. Ooh. Oh my god. So my first thoughts on this, it smells really nice. It like does have like a light, just like a scent to it. It's nothing intense, it's nothing crazy, it's nothing like floral or anything. It just almost smells like how skincare smells, like just really like fresh. It goes on beautifully. It's about like a medium-ish coverage. Like I'm feeling like this is something that now in my 29 years of age, I would, excuse me, sirens, please. I'm actually, sir, that's right. In my 29 years of age, where I don't need like complete full coverage, this is something that I would want to put on my skin, and then like for like my little ditties up here and underneath my eye, I would just want to use concealer, because I don't feel like I completely need a full coverage foundation everywhere all the time. I've also been wearing powder foundation a lot lately and just like a little bit of concealer underneath. One, because it's quick and easy, and two, because bitch, I'm lazy. So that's what I've been doing. And I feel like this is kind of like the same coverage as that. Like it just completely smooths out your skin. Like it's really not like going into my crusty bits on my nose, which I guess that's the formula on how it doesn't go into your lines and whatnot. I don't know the mumbo jumbo for that. I don't know the lingo for that. I don't know. But this is really pretty, and I actually don't mind applying it with this cute little brush. So there is my one side of my foundation done compared to this side. So it really does even out my skin tone, get rid of my redness. I could definitely, let's put some concealer underneath my eye. These are the two concealers that I'm obsessed with. I have it in my little bag here because I'm going away for the rest of the week. So this is the Ultra HD Light Capturing Self-Setting Concealer by Makeup Forever. I love this. You can see I'm like scraping it. Maybe a little on this ditty out here too. Completely covered, gorgeous, stunning, compared to this side, which is like death becomes her hello. So it really did even me out. Like I'm actually impressed. I think I'm gonna like this foundation, to be completely honest with you. And the color's actually okay. Like see how light I am? I'm literally so white. I have hair dye on my neck. Don't look there. I need to scrub it. Please don't look there. Okay, please don't. So with that being said, and I'm zoomed up here, I'll do the other side nice and close so you guys can see. Oh, what does it smell like? It smells like a biotherm, like the Aquasource Ever Plump, that night mask. That's what it kind of smells like. It just smells like clean and like soft, and like it smells really good. I quite like it. I'm not like a huge fragrance and makeup person, just because like I don't know, sometimes I'm like, I don't need it, but then when it's there, it's like, oh my god, it's really like a sensory experience, and I'm not complaining. I also don't really have the most sensitive skin, so sorry if you do. Also, if you do, I really don't think that this would bother you. Like it's so faint and it's not overpowering. It's just nice. Anywhoosie, I also rarely put makeup on my forehead anymore, just because like ain't nothing going on my forehead that I need to cover for the most part, so I rarely do, but today I am. Wow, on camera this looks like pretty full coverage, to be honest with you. I turned my light down just a bit so you guys can get kind of a better look of it, Ooh. I want you guys to see like the full Monty. It's actually so nice. It's not settling in on any of my fine lines or like around my nose, which I really like. Even though my nose is like running right now. My nose always runs when I do makeup. Is that not so weird? It's so weird. Yeah. Oh, I love it. Thoughts, comments, concerns at all? It's beautiful. This is like the, especially on camera, it's looking really good. Yeah. I'm going to powder my face a bit, and I'm going to put on contour, highlight, blush. I'm gonna put on a lip. And then I'm gonna check back with you, okay? That'll probably take me like 10 minutes. Okay, my face is done. And here's the tea, sis. First of all, we have a cat. Boy, say hello! Boy! Oh, do you see yourself in the viewfinder, boy? Okay. Oh, my boy. Okay, so the actual tea now. I really like this foundation. It literally feels like my skin. It feels so lightweight. I feel like my skin is hydrated. Like it just feels hydrated. And when I touch my skin is soft. It feels clean. It feels like uninterrupted by makeup. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel cakey. I'm excited to wear this for a bit and see how I feel in a couple hours, because there's no worse feeling in the entire world than just like needing to de-drag, you know what I'm saying? Like when you get home and you just need to take your makeup off so desperately because you just feel suffocated by it. I don't feel like that right now with this foundation, which is like really nice. Boy, do you feel like I'm suffocating you? Oh, he's your boy. Oh, you sweet boy. Yeah. Oh, so sweet. Oh my god, I have cat hair everywhere. Ugh. Okay, this foundation gets a thumbs up from me. Oh, I do. Am I getting a smile line there? Oh my god. I just discovered a new wrinkle. No. What? I hate adulting. I hate being adult. I hate when this happens. I just don't want to. But you know what I do want to do? I want to continue using this foundation. This is dope. Anywho, what do you guys think? Do you think I look beautiful? Do you think I look stunning? Do you think I look gorgeous? Do you think I'm like ready for a, I don't know, a date? Am I ready for a date? There's literally a cat hair on my mouth. There's cat hair everywhere. See you guys soon. I'll let you know what I think. Okay. Ooh, I love when I just look so beautiful. Yeah, with my numb hand. Love that for me. Did I mention my left hand is still numb and part of my my left leg? I have my second MRI coming up. Anywho's okay.